In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted channel in Telegram. Before we dive in, it's important to set expectations. Telegram is cloud-based and very privacy-focused, which means that when a channel is truly deleted by its owner, Telegram does not offer a built-in recovery or trash feature. There isn't a button you can press to bring it back with all subscribers and posts. That said, there are a few ways to confirm what actually happened and what you can still do next. First, make sure the channel is really gone. Sometimes it's not deleted, just out of sight. Open Telegram and scroll to the bottom of your chat list to check archived chats. Use the search bar to look for the channel's name or, if it had a public handle, search for the exact username. If you were removed or you left by mistake, the channel still exists, but you'll need to rejoin. Public channels can be found and joined again through search. Private channels require a fresh invite link from an admin or member, so reach out to someone who's still in the channel and ask for an active link. If you are the channel owner and you confirmed it was deleted, recovery is not possible within Telegram. Your content, subscriber list, and the original link are gone. If you suspect the deletion happened because your account was compromised or due to a moderation error, contact Telegram through the in-app support form and clearly describe the situation, including dates and what changed. While restoration isn't guaranteed, reporting security issues promptly can help. If your account was compromised, immediately enable two-step verification, review active sessions, and sign out devices you don't recognize to prevent further loss. If you previously exported your channel content using Telegram Desktop's chat export tool, you can rebuild. Create a new channel, import or repost key messages, and share the new link wherever your community is likely to see it, such as other social platforms or groups you manage. If you don't have an export, consider reaching out to former admins or contributors who might still have copies of important posts or media. To prevent future loss, add at least one trusted co-admin so you're not the single point of failure, enable two-step verification, keep your recovery email secure, and export your channel periodically if its content is valuable. Save your channel's invite and public handle details somewhere safe, and review admin permissions so only the right people can make irreversible changes. That's the complete picture of what's possible and how to move forward with confidence.